Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where you will be shocked. So let's get started. So first of all we would like to import time and OC. Yep. And next we'd like to start by writing the text. So what would you want our text to be? I like it to be 6, 7. Yep. Yep. And then we'd like to do is just write our widths. Our widths will search our POC equals 0 and our direction equals 1. Next we'd like to do is just while true. As always we'd like to write the OC.system CLC if OC.name equals in string nt else clear. Yep guys, so okay. So next we'd like to print brackets with make a space multiply by pose plus text. Yep guys, then we'd like to write pose plus equals direction if pose equals 0 or pose equals width minus len text then we'd like to direction multiply equals -1. And next we'd like to do is just write time dot sleep in brackets, write 0.1. So okay guys, let's run it. It says a bug. Oh, I should have written a minus here. Yep. Width. What? Oh. So let's save it up. Let's run it. So as you see, you got 6, 7 moving left and right. So okay guys, that was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.